Okay guys, I'm trying to go, okay guys, I'm gonna try to hit the beach this morning. It's a day or two before Hurricane Mitchell come our way here on Holden Beach, so I'm gonna see what I can find. I'm heading to the pier. Alright guys, y'all stay tuned, see what I can find. Okay, now I'm at the pier. I dug a couple times, found bottle caps and stuff, but it's my first pretty good find, a quarter. I think it's a 1984 quarter. Anyway, just dug a quarter. Alright, I'm back, and I dug a penny. Just a little penny. Alright. Alright, as you can see, I work my way down this way. And the tide's coming in. But I just dug this cool looking fishing sinker. That's pretty unique. Alright. Just dug this up. There's the hole. But anyway, I dug this up. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm back. And I found a surface find. This was laying right on top of the sand. Alright. Some kind of key ring for fishermen that fishes out here on the beach. But anyway. Surface fine. Alright, I'm walking my way back towards the pier. Pretty close to it. But I found quarter number 2. Alright, quarter number 2 here on the beach. Okay, now I'm up under the pier, working the high sand, the dry sand, and I just found a nickel. 1999 nickel. Pretty cool. Alright, nickel number 2. 1985. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm back, and I found another penny. Alright, another penny. I keep finding this change. Maybe I get lucky and find something worth my while. A ring, maybe. I don't know, let's keep digging. For now, I just dug a penny. Alright, I'm back, and I already dug a dozen of these. You gotta love these pull tabs. No, you don't. I hate them. Alright, let's keep digging. Alright, I found a 1970 Lincoln. Nickel number 3, 1967. Alright, now I'm on this side of the pier, and I got my first dime of the day. Alright, first dime. Let's keep digging. Okay guys, I'm calling it quits here on Holden Beach. I probably found about $1 and change, handful of pull tabs, bottle caps, you name it, but nothing really good. Like I said, $1 and change, a couple quarters, a lot of pennies, a couple nickels, a 1 dime. But also I wanted to hit this beach a day before the storm. They said Hurricane Mitchell. We're supposed to get a part of Hurricane Mitchell tomorrow night. So I figured I would hit the beach a day before the storm. So that's it. I just want to hit Holden Beach. That's the beach I was hitting. But hope y'all have a good hunt. You know, keep hunting. And thanks for watching.